IronFX is a well-known brokerage platform that offers a range of services designed for traders of various levels. Whether you're just starting or are an experienced trader, the platform provides access to a wide variety of markets, including Forex, commodities, and indices. One of the main advantages of IronFX is its user-friendly platform. It offers multiple account types, allowing you to choose one that suits your trading style. With flexible spreads and low minimum deposits, it's a great starting point for beginners looking to enter the world of online trading. Additionally, IronFX offers various educational resources like webinars and market analysis, which is a big plus for those who want to improve their trading skills. However, there are also some drawbacks to consider. The customer support could be improved, with some users reporting slow response times. Moreover, the withdrawal process may take longer than expected, and certain fees might not be entirely transparent upfront, which could be frustrating for new users. It's essential to carefully review all terms and conditions before starting to trade on this platform. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXBT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXBT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. When it comes to IronFX's cost structure, it varies based on the account type. For example, there are spreads for each asset that may fluctuate, which is something to watch out for if you're trading frequently. The platform is highly customizable, but if you're someone who prefers fixed spreads, this might not be the best option for you. On the service side, IronFX provides access to MetaTrader 4, MT4, one of the most popular trading platforms globally, known for its charting tools and automated trading features. The platform is also accessible via mobile, making it convenient for traders who want to manage their positions on the go. IronFX also supports copy trading, which allows users to follow and automatically copy the strategies of more experienced traders. This feature can be incredibly useful for those who are not confident in making their own trading decisions, or who simply want to diversify their portfolio with minimal effort. If you're a beginner, copy trading on IronFX might be a valuable tool to grow your trading experience without diving deep into market analysis right away. IronFX is also regulated by several financial authorities, ensuring that it complies with international standards, which is always a good sign for traders concerned about the safety of their investments. If you're looking for a reliable trading platform that provides access to a broad range of markets, flexible account options, and educational tools, IronFX might be worth considering. However, be sure to understand its fees and withdrawal process fully to avoid any surprises. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more honest reviews, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest broker reviews.